Electric car maker Tesla will make a dedicated self-driving taxi that will look futuristic, Chief Executive Elon Musk said, without giving a time frame. The 50-year-old billionaire, wearing a black cowboy hat and sunglasses, made the comments at the opening of Tesla's $1.1 billion factory in Texas, which is home to its new headquarters. Massive scale, full self-driving. There's going to be a dedicated Robotaxi, Musk told a large crowd at the factory. We have been hearing about Tesla's Robotaxi concept for quite a few years, but it seems like we're getting close to it finally becoming a reality. The history of Tesla's Robotaxi starts with CEO Elon Musk's master plan Part Deux, published in 2016. At the time, the concept was touted as normal Teslas with full self-driving capability. Once Tesla achieved full self-driving, they would create a Tesla network taxi service that would make use of both Tesla-owned vehicles and customer cars that would be hired out when not in use. In April 2022, however, at the inauguration of Tesla's new factory in Austin, Texas, Musk made headlines by announcing that the company would be working on a dedicated robotaxi vehicle that would be quite futuristic looking. In a way, developing a purposely built vehicle makes sense in order to add certain desirable features we expect to see in the Robotaxi, such as face-to-face seating, big sliding doors providing easy access, four-wheel steering, easier cleaning, etc. Tesla could even create a variety of robotaxis that help meet specific needs. For example, Tesla could offer a vehicle that is better suited for resting, which could let you sleep on the way to your destination. Another vehicle could be similar to a home office, offering multiple monitors and accessories that let you begin working as soon as you step inside the vehicle. Features such as these could bring huge quality of life improvements for some, giving some people an hour or two back in your day. The variety of robotaxis doesn't need to end there. There could be other vehicles that are made specifically for movie watching and entertainment, or others that allow you to relax and converse with friends, much like you'd expect in a limousine. At a time when several companies have announced dedicated robotaxi plans, most notably Zoox, Cruise, and Waymo, Tesla's plans seem to be accelerating in order to compete with these options. Additional details on Tesla's vision for the future of the Robotaxi just emerged during the conference call after the release of Tesla's Q1 2022 financial results. During the call, Musk stated that the vehicle will be focused on cost per mile and will be highly optimized for autonomy, meaning it will not have steering wheel or pedals. There are a number of other innovations around it that I think are quite exciting, but it is fundamentally optimized to achieve the lowest fully considered cost per mile or kilometer when counting everything, he said. During the call, Tesla acknowledged that its vehicles are largely inaccessible for many people, given their high cost, and sees the introduction of robotaxis as a way of providing customers with by far the lowest cost per mile of transport that they've ever experienced. The CEO believes that the vehicle is going to result in a cost per mile cheaper than a subsidized bus ticket, and that it will ultimately be a major driver of Tesla's growth. During the Q1 2022 earnings call, Elon talked a little about the timeline for Tesla's Robotaxi. Tesla plans to announce the vehicle in 2023 and begin mass production in 2024. The difficulty in releasing an autonomous taxi is the self-driving aspect, which Tesla is still actively developing. The Robotaxi's release date will continue to shift in line with Tesla's progress on FSD. During the earnings call, there was no mention of the sensor suite that Tesla is considering for the vehicle, or whether it would be used as a modified version of the company's full self-driving software to navigate its surroundings autonomously. Their current approach relies solely on a camera system, unlike other automakers who are betting on a combination of cameras, LiDAR, and radar. During the call, Musk seemed confident that their method would pay off later this year. With respect to full self-driving of any technology development that I've been involved in, I've never really seen more false dawns, or where it seems like we're going to break through, but we don't, as I've seen in full self-driving, said Musk. And ultimately, what it comes down to is to sell full self-driving, you actually have to solve real-world artificial intelligence, which nobody has solved. The whole road system is made for biological neural nets and eyes. And so actually, when you think about it, in order to solve driving, we have to solve neural nets and cameras to a degree of capability that is on par with or really exceeds humans. And I think we will achieve that this year. Musk has promised that all Teslas with FSD capability will be able to drive magnitudes safer than a human in the future. However, it's not clear if Tesla still plans to allow customers to hire out their vehicles as taxis in the future. If Tesla is successful in achieving an autonomous driving vehicle that costs less than a subsidized bus ticket, that would revolutionize car ownership. In the future, it could actually be cheaper to use one of Tesla's Robotaxis than to own your own car. Plus, you'll have the added benefits of being able to relax and reach your destination safer and quicker than driving yourself. Also, in the earnings call, Musk said Tesla remains on track to reach volume production of the Cybertruck in 2023. It seems likely the company will produce more than 1.5 million vehicles this year, he added, marking an increase of 60% year over year. Musk also doubled down on his remarks from Tesla's last earnings call about the importance he ascribes to a humanoid robot the company is developing called Optimus. Tesla's humanoid robot will one day be the most valuable part of the company's business, CEO Elon Musk said. I was surprised that people do not realize the magnitude of the Optimus robot program, Musk said. Those who are insightful or who listen carefully will understand that Optimus ultimately will be worth more than the car business and worth more than full self-driving. That's my firm belief. Musk earlier this year ranked Optimus as a higher priority than other hotly anticipated Tesla products, including the Cybertruck pickup and the Tesla Semi. Musk's lifelike droid will stand 5 foot 8 inches tall and weigh in at a terrifyingly realistic 125 pounds. It would be designed to perform menial tasks, such as picking up groceries or building Tesla cars. The Optimus robot is expected to have a screen instead of a face, and the droid will be controlled by an artificial intelligence system. We have almost all the pieces needed for humanoid robots, said Musk in a Twitter post, since we already make robots with wheels. Musk's Tesla cars already have an autopilot software powered by AI. This allows them to navigate roads without driver input, and similar systems could be used for a robot. Musk said he's also keen to keep costs down so that the Tesla bot is a realistic alternative to human labor. Musk also explained that the first focus for his humanoid robots is to do jobs that humans don't want to do. He said they could be used for repetitive and boring work that may result in human injury. The Tesla boss said that a subtly imperfect robot could actually make the perfect buddy. He was reluctant to refer to humans who would be in charge of the robots as owners, and said it felt wrong to say that. It's unclear exactly how much an Optimus robot would cost, but it would likely be thousands of dollars. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.